How to transfer money from Revolut to Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how you can do this. Now, unfortunately, Revolut application is not available on my region, so I'll just go ahead and show you how it goes. All you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through your Binance, and of course, as you may know, you already have your crypto wallet on your Binance right here. So you want to head over to your Binance, and from here you want to go ahead and get your wallet address and the network for that specific wallet address. From there, you can then go ahead and go back to the Revolut application, and inside you can then go ahead and navigate through this page of crypto. And inside you can just go ahead and navigate through this page of crypto. Now, right after clicking on crypto, it will then go ahead and show you the similar page. Now from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the three dots right here, and inside you can then go ahead and see a option called withdraw money. So you can just go ahead and click on it, and you want to go ahead and paste the Binance wallet address that you have copied through your device. From there, you will be able to link both of your accounts, and you can now go ahead and transfer money from Revolut to Binance. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.